Yeah, man, down here at Memphis Mike's, man. You know what I'm saying? Told y'all I'm come down here and get y'all this footage, man. Y'all got Memphis Mike down here. Memphis Mike down here. Down in the shop, man. We got my dog up here on the rack, man. Got some things going on, man. Memphis Mike down here putting that work in, man. Y'all hit him up. Memphis Mike's garage, man. Y'all hit him up. Hit him up. Got old box in here, man. Getting that treatment, man. Old box getting that treatment. Man, we about to step outside, man. Get some footage of this box, man. I ain't got a chance to get no I ain't get a chance to get no footage of this box right here. You know what I'm saying? Got old Grand Natty over here. Old Grand Natty, y'all can't see it, man. It's dark in here, but it's a Grand Natty. I don't know what's getting done. I don't know nothing about the car. Matter of fact, I probably asked him, like it just got painted. Look like, I don't know though. But I don't know anything about it. I'm sure this car just got painted. It still got tape all around the windows and stuff, so it probably just got painted. And I don't even want to touch it. Little Regal over there. Box, Malibu. Yeah, man, I'm finna run out here, man, and get this footage right quick before it get dark, man. This footage, this old box, man. Y'all seen it on the channel before, but I ain't never just went all the way in on getting the footage on it. So today is the day, and here it is. That old car out here, man. 28-inch Fords on this thing. New top on here. Yeah, this thing clean, man. Y'all see the third brake light in there? Thing clean. LS swap, man. I think it's a 6.2 in this car. I think it's a 6.2. Got that old Tiara on there. Real clean car, man. Slick, man. Y'all look down the side of that thing, man. Ain't no waves, wrinkles, picks, dings, dents, none of that. Boy, clean, man. Real clean car, man. We got to get out and do some ride, man, when I get MayRose right. Plus velvet in there. Yes, sir. Y'all know how we do. Big roofs and steering wheels, man. You see the steering wheel over there? Yes, sir. Yeah, man, this thing nice. I don't know what color. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Old car, man. Trying to get old car to, man, we was just in here talking about Florida Classic, man. Trying to get old car to take the thing to Florida Classic. Knowing him, he probably ain't gonna have it by the time Florida Classic get here, man. He probably done sold or something. I don't know. But, yeah, man. Clean car, man. Real clean whip, man. The Mississippi boy, man. Came with it, though. He came on with it. I like it. I like this junk. I like it a lot. If I had the money, I'd buy it. Just so I can have me a box and a bubble in the garage. I got the best of both worlds. Then I just have to go and get me a, you know, I have to get every year of the Chevy in, man. You know what I'm saying? Every year of the Caprice. But yeah, y'all, it's cold out here, man. It is cold. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to take my ass back in the shop. Call my wife back, man, see what we gonna eat. And yeah, man, I had to come and get y'all this footage, man. Hopefully I'll probably still be here, man, when he get ready to leave. And I can get that footage, man, of him leaving or whatever. Y'all can hear this thing. But yeah. I'm gonna shoot back in this shop. That's the HDX, man. Yeah. That's the HDX. I apologize. I said the VHX. Big 6.2 in that thing. Ah, yeah. What? What's up? You done burnt this damn mouth? Everybody, I don't know, bro. You all over the place. You doing all that? Tell him something.
Ain't nothing to tell him.
What you said? You had said something.
I ain't say much. Let me see the camera. I'm finna show you something.
Nah, you ain't finna show me. Shoot my camera.
Cornmeal jacket.
Don't put no, it's always on me.
I'm your
Cornmeal
cameraman.
jacket.
Cornmeal what?
Jacket. Lemon pepper and cornmeal jacket. Can't put too much lemon pepper on the motherfucker. Shit.
Scooter said he taught Mike how to cook.
He ain't taught me shit.
Man say he taught you how to put the fat under anything.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
That's what he said.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
What you got on these paper towels in school? What you got on these paper towels right
Shit. High blood pressure.
here? High blood pressure at its finest. Cardiac arrest.
Yeah.
Paralyzation.
But oh boy, where you want on though?
New.
Grab one more, one of them hot dogs. Yeah.
I ain't bullshit.
Put it in half.
Down at the shop, cool.
Oh my God!
already looking at
Man, what's up, man? Mister.
Mike got look. Mike got the dicks on deck. Ah shit.
It's a pocket rocket, nigga. Pork not what? Bacon.